Hi guys, today we polish the plastic headlight. You can either varnish or polish the headlight. Varnishing the headlamp is much more effective than polishing and will last several years longer. Friends, to polish the headlight, we need to clean the surface with sandpaper for 2000 from everything that is stuck to it, dust, dirt, stains and everything else. Over time, any headlights fade, even with real glass, but plastic ones age many times faster. There are many reasons for this, and the main one in our ability to handle them correctly. Any headlights from the road get abrasive, sand and pebbles, which turn the glass surface into the lunar landscape, only in microscopic version. We complex the pictures, often whipping the glass with a dry cloth, that is, increasing the abrasive effect of road dirt. The trouble is not only and not so much in appearance, but in the fact that micro cracks and cracks on the glass lead to large scattering of light, to the fact that the light goes to the road not from the reflector responsible for the formation of the beam, but from the glass itself, unevenly in all directions. Such a headlight does not illuminate the road, but it greatly dazzling uncommon traffic. Friends, we made the entire surface of the headlight evenly and rinse it off with water. Rubbing is varnish hard to the base is unnecessary. It's enough to simply cleanse the surface of the headlamp with light movements. This will be more than enough. Friends, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, like the video as we try, and don't forget the bell. By clicking on it, you will not miss the announcement of new video on the channel. Friends, then we wet everything with a dry rag and apply polish. This polish can be bought in a store in a small portion. As for example, I have 200 grams. The tube itself is expensive, but in a portion it's not expensive. Apply a small amount of polishing pasta to the headlamp glass or polishing wheel spread over the surface. Polish with low pressure and no more than 1500 revolutions per minute until the composition dries. In case of significant damage to the surface, repeat the treatment. Remove the rest of the composition with a damp cloth. Attention! Don't overheat the surface. The inner surface of the headlamp glass can't be polished. First, because scuffs and cracks don't form there. Secondly, to work with the inner surface of the headlamp, the glass will have to be removed, and this is a very laborious operation that's done in extreme case. The inside of the glass can be dirt, if the headlamp has lost its tightness, but this happens very rarely. Of course, it's better to remove the headlight to clean the inside. On the channel I have a video of cleaning the headlight from the inside. You can go and watch. A plastic headlight during operation may not receive a single chip, as happens with glass, but a dense layer of dirt can form on it. Stones leave numerous, small and deep scratch on the polycarbonate. A plastic headlight during operation may not receive a single chip, as happens with glass, but a dense layer of dirt can form on it. Stones leave numerously, small and deep scratch on the polycarbonate. Therefore, the processing of plastic headlight requires more attention. There is also a plus. Such a material is malleable enough so that you can successfully polish plastic headlight with your own hand at home. Since the headlight of the surface of the plastic headlight is harmful to the optical properties of the device, excessive friction with abrasive agents should be avoided. If you use headlight polishing by hand, then you will notice that the headlight has warmed up. And if you use a power tool, then the number of revolutions per minute should not exceed 1500. Slowly move the tool over the entire plane of the headlight. Tooth pasta. There are no special recommendations for choosing a pasta for polishing headlight. Since the abrasiveness of this product is designed for tooth enamel, but not for plastic and glass. Tiny whitening particles can slightly improve the visual performance of a headlamp, but you shouldn't expect much from tooth pasta and tooth powder. Micellar liquid without alcohol. Yes, it's a cosmetic product, but can also clean a glass and plastic headlight well. How to extend the life of your headlight. Never wipe the headlight with a dry cloth. Always use water, a well-dampened cloth, or special products. Don't install more powerful bulbs in plastic headlight. Their heat can warm or melt plastic glass. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not to miss new video on the channel.